So guys, welcome again to Smart Money Hustle, and today I have an opportunity that young Kenyans can try, okay? So this is the office of the Director of Public Prosecution, okay? And this is their recruitment web portal. So they have open vacancies which are closing on 30th March 2026. So today is 27th, so 3 days for it to be closed, okay guys? So I decided to share this opportunity for young Kenyans who are looking for jobs so that they can come over here and apply and see if they can get this government jobs. Okay, so first of all, if you want to apply a job in this site, what will you do? Just type office of the director, ODPP, and then hiring vacancies, like how I've typed over here, and then you're going to go over here, this link. Okay? Make sure you go to this link. Okay, now click, and once you click, I'm already in my site. Let me just log out so that I show you how I do it. You'll be given two options: either you log in or register. Okay, because you don't have an account in this site, you'll just click over here, register. And then very quickly you'll come over here, you add your ID, your phone, your password, and then you confirm your password. Okay, and then you come over here, you read the data protection statement, and then you tick over here, and then you register. They are going to send a code on your phone which you're going to put, and then once you're done, you'll come over here and then you log in, okay, using the password that you have created. Okay, so you'll click login, and once you are in, now you can see the dashboard, how it looks like. Okay, so over here you can see this is the profile section. You are supposed to fill all the details that are listed over here. So you will start with the personal details. You'll click over here, and then you come over here, update personal details, and then once you have done that, you come and click, you fill your names over here, you fill your phone number, email address, everything that is listed over here. Okay, you also come and fill your sub county, your ethnic group, and if you are a person with a disability, you click yes. Okay, if you don't have any disability, you just click no. Okay, and once you have filled this part, you click save. Okay, now after that, you come over here, you fill now your education, and here you will just click over here, add education background. You start from your primary school level. Okay, you go to secondary, you go to university or college, you go to masters, PhD, etc. Okay, so you can see over here, you are supposed to fill all these things over here. Okay, if you have them. Once you have done that, you save. Okay, you just click over here, you save. Okay, now you come over here to trainings. If you have undergone any training, okay, you come over here and then you fill that training. Okay, so I think training is like those of TVET, something like that. I'm not sure, but you can research more. Okay, if you don't have any, you just let it be like that. Okay, you leave it blank. Okay, now for professional membership, so this one I'll give as an example. So for teachers, they belong to the TSC. Okay, Teacher Service Commission. So what they will do, they'll just come over here, add membership, and then they come over here and then select their membership. Okay, they can just type over here TSC. Yeah, TSC is available over here. They'll just click over there, and then they come and add their membership number or the TSC number over here, and then they save. So this one doesn't limit teachers only. If you are from any other membership body, you'll just come over here, add the name and the number that you are registered with in that body. Okay, now after that, you come over here, you fill your employment details. You'll just come over here, add employment details. You come and fill your employer name, your job title, achievement, and the reason for exit. Okay, and then you save that part. Once you are done, you come over here to files. So here in files, you can add things like your ID, your CV, your resume. Okay, so let me just show you the file category that you can add. So you can also see, you can add the help clearance certificate if you have it. Okay, even this one, cover letter, you can add a degree, a diploma. Okay, an ID, highest qualification, recommendation, transcript. Okay, so university's transcript, I don't know if colleges have transcript, but if they have, you come and add them over there. Okay, so you can see you can add as many as you can. It shows here 10 entries. Okay, so you can add up to 10. Once you have done that, you come over here, you see now the advertised jobs. And because you have already filled this profile section, so it will be so easy for you to apply for a job. Okay, so you just come over here, you see the jobs that are available, that are current. Like these ones, you can see they are closing on 30th of March. So 3 days to go. Apply as soon as possible. Okay, you come and pass through the jobs, and the ones that you think you qualify for, you click apply. Like this one of office assistant, I think many people can apply for this. Okay, young Kenyans, where are you? You can apply for this one. You'll just click over here, apply, and then you click yes, apply. Okay, now it's going to apply automatically. Why? Because you have already filled this profile section. Okay, you can see on my side when I try to apply, it is giving me this error message. Why? Because I haven't filled my education and everything over here. Okay, once you have done that, once you have applied, you just come over here to your applications, and then here you're going to see the list of the applications that you have made, okay, the active ones. Okay, and here is where you're going to know if you have been accepted or rejected. Okay guys, here is where you're going to check. Okay, so the site is ODPP, Office of the Director of Public Prosecution. You follow the steps that I've given you, you come and apply, and if you get any challenge, speak up in the comment section. I'm going to help you. Okay, and also something else guys, I'm sharing sites like this ones, including other sites like AI training sites. So if you're new to this channel, you're missing a lot. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I share any of these videos, you'll be among the first to be notified. So guys, see you on the next video. Bye.